All right, let's take a deep breath. Literally. Have you ever wondered what's actually happening inside your body every time you inhale and exhale? Well, today I'm breaking down the main parts of the respiratory system and how they work together to keep you alive. First up, the nose, the mouth. These are your entry points for air. Air travels through either your nose or mouth where it gets filtered, warmed, and moistened. Tiny hairs and mucus trap dust and germs, making sure only the good stuff gets through. Next, the air heads down your throat, specifically the pharynx, then the larynx, your voice box. Ever noticed your voice gets scratchy when you're sick? That's your larynx working overtime. Now the air moves into the trachea, or windpipe. It splits into two branches called bronchi, one for each lung. The bronchi keep splitting into smaller and smaller tubes like branches of a tree down to bronchioles. At the end of these bronchioles are tiny air sacs called alveoli. These guys are the real MVPs. Each lung has millions of alveoli. This is where the magic happens. Oxygen passes through the thin walls and enters your bloodstream. Carbon dioxide moves from your blood into the alveoli so you can breathe it out. But wait, there's one more superstar, the diaphragm. This dome-shaped muscle sits right below your lungs. When you breathe in, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, creating space for your lungs to expand. When you breathe out, it relaxes and pushes air back out. It's like your own built-in air pump. So to recap, air comes in through your nose or mouth, travels down your throat, and trachea splits into the bronchi branches into bronchioles, reaches the alveoli, where oxygen and carbon dioxide swap places. All of this is powered by your diaphragm, and that's the respiratory system. Simple, efficient, and absolutely essential for life. Next time you take a breath, remember the incredible journey that air takes inside your body. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to breathe easy.